Let me show you the difference between canned Italian San Marzano plum tomatoes and canned American plum tomatoes, and why I prefer to use the San Marzanos. Come on in close. Here is the Italian San Marzano plum tomato, and here is the American plum tomato. As you can tell, the San Marzanos are larger and they're going to be meatier than the American. Also, the liquid or the juice inside the cans, let me show you that. Here's the American, which is pretty watery and thin. Here is the San Marzano, which is a lot thicker. It's already almost a sauce. Once again, let me show you the American San Marzano. For me, the San Marzano is going to be a richer sauce, which is why I prefer to use them. Once again, San Marzano and the American plum tomato. There's the difference. Now, let's get back to the recipe.